Hello guys, Radio Control Action, 1989, December. I used to idolize over this book. And here on page 141, Tower Hobbies nonetheless. Interesting car right here, the Kyosho Blizzard. Very cool. So, naturally, I had to go ahead and buy one, so I bought the Blizzard FR. Let's do a quick unboxing video, and I mean quick, because there are so many of these on YouTube and online already that I want one for my channel as well. And I always start my build videos with an unboxing. So right off the bat, get her unboxed. There's the Blizzard manual. It comes with a bind plug. This box is nothing. It is a spacer. Here's a box with some stuff in it. Right hand side we've got the, I think it's a 4-channel remote. Okay, got the 4-channel remote. Here is the Blizzard itself. Set that aside for a minute. Another what appears to be empty box for spacing. Now we can get all that stuff out of the way. And this one spaced box has some stuff in it. Get it out. Okay, plastic plow, we all know about those. 1800 NIMH 7.2 volt 6-cell pack. What I think to be is this the charger. Wall adapters for Europe and Asia and China and Japan, blah blah blah. And this came with Dean's connectors, or what do they call them, ultra plugs also. Okay, and here is the Blizzard. Pretty good looking. Just get the body on there. Pop that off. Underneath, you need a screwdriver to open this up. And battery pack goes here. Servo for the plow. Our plug for our battery. And at this point, what I want to do is I'm going to take it out and show you what this light runs like stock. As we all know, these things are wonderful to upgrade. And of course, I have bought tons of upgrade parts, and I will be doing a build series on this and installing them. But for now, I want to show you some stock footage. Here's a look at the remote that comes with the Blizzard. You get some reverse switching for all your channels. And the way you drive the car is this is your left track, this is your right track. So that would be straightforward, that would be turning left, turn right, so on, reverse, spin it in circles. You got dual rate switch, 70 and 100% probably, and that's about it. Moving that to the right raises the plow, or I'm sorry, to the left raises the plow, to the right lowers the plow. And what I found to be difficult is to try to control the plow while you're also, controlling your right track. It can be a bit confusing. So I will say it is pretty difficult to maneuver this with the stock steering configuration with the two ESCs and independent control of the tracks. And add onto it controlling the plow with the right joystick. So. That is ice. Alright guys, there you have it. The Kyosho Blizzard FR. I'm very happy with the way this runs, even in stock form. I am going to be upgrading this truck. I've got a whole ton of stuff. Basically all the electronics are getting gutted. I mean, it's going to be pretty cool. Full LEDs, whole 9 yards. The stock remote, I think, leaves a little bit to be desired. I can control it pretty well, but I had issues controlling the plow while controlling the direction of the truck. It got a bit confusing for me. So I'm going to be switching this to a pistol grip. So I hope you guys liked the video. Stay tuned for the upgrades. They'll be out, within a week or so. Thanks guys. Have a good one. I added the scope a long time ago, shortly after I bought it in 2005. It's got a Bell & Carlson extended magazine release. You can see right here. I'll show you close-ups in a minute. I bought the Hogue overmolded stock, and it's for the standard sport barrels. I don't have the bull barrel. And I'll tell you what, this is the best investment. I don't know how it shoots yet. I haven't shot it, but the feel and the fit and quality. I mean, this is the nicest stock I think I have in my gun collection. It just feels great. It's got a nice rubberized texture to it. It feels sturdy. It looks good, and the fit and finish is